Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Welcome back. This is my mom's plants. They grew a lot and these are her other plants. From time to time they grow really big, and yeah, that's Sarzuk and some other plants we have, and those are the flowers. Those are peppers. They're really spicy and my dad likes to eat them a lot. They grew really big and she still takes care of them. She still waters them. Those are other plants, and she likes to grow them. She likes to water them, and that's Baibing the last time.
Mom said we continue. One of the swimmers worked for the people, and then he called them swimmers.
And that's us getting ready to go to the pool, fixing our hair, and we're just walking, about to go into the car to go to Charlotte to go to the pool with our friends. What? And that's me fixing Beauty's clothes. B. It's Mary in the car, and that's her and Christian playing around waiting to go to the pool. We're just gonna go to Charlotte and visit and see friends, and that's Angel. She's in the car. Playing around in the water, and that's Beauty and me and Angel.
Baby.
That's Christian, and that's Christian playing around and having fun at the pool, just hanging out. And then that's him going back into the pool, throwing water bottles in there, and that's me.
Mercy. Ready, Andrew? Atuk.
3, 2, 1.
Christian getting ready to go in, and that's me, and that's us just playing, and that's Beauty, and then that's him walking into the getting
Angel.
that's Angel with Christian, and then she's just having fun, and then that's also her about to swim, just came up, and then her just walk. She's having a lot of fun, and then yeah, she likes to go to the pool a lot. Also, Angel, she's on the floaty, and Christian is just playing around with the floaty, and then they're in 1 feet. They can't really come, so then they have to stay there. We're in the other pool, the bigger pool, and walking around and having fun, and that's him just watching us swimming in the pool and having fun. And then that's him trying to escape the pool. So then he's just banging on the gate to get out. And then that's him walking back and just doing what he does. Around with it in the water and having a lot of fun. And then this is when we were in Charlotte, and then we were having fun and we got our hair cut. And then sometimes he might even jump into the pool on his own, which is really funny sometimes. And then that's him going into the pool and having fun. And then we're back at the farmhouse with the chickens. That's Angel playing around with the chickens, and those are the other chickens. My dad works there to take care of them. Those are our chickens. They're ready to leave. They're about to leave on Sunday. And then that's just them eating. And
Baby.
Don't you make a pee. So what kind?